How to remove watermark in Excel sheet. There are two ways to remove a watermark in an Excel sheet. 1. Remove a watermark from a background image. If the watermark is inserted as a background image, you can remove it by following these steps. 1. Go to the Page Layout tab. 2. In the Page Setup group, click Delete Background. The watermark will be removed. 2. Remove a watermark from a header or footer. If the watermark is inserted as a header or footer, you can remove it by following these steps. 1. Go to the View tab. 2. In the Views group, click Page Layout. 3. In the Header and Footer Tools group, click Header or Footer. 4. In the Header and Footer dialog box, delete the end picture text from the header or footer. 5. Click OK. The watermark will be removed. Here are some additional things to keep in mind when removing a watermark. Asterisk: if you have multiple sheets in your workbook, you will need to remove the watermark from each sheet individually. Asterisk: if you have saved your workbook with the watermark in place, you will need to save it again after removing the watermark. Asterisk: if you have shared your workbook with others, they will not be able to see the watermark unless you remove it from the original workbook and then share the updated workbook with them.